Hey, what if your best friend never listened to you and only kept talking?
That's not a best friend, that's a human radio.
Exactly. Annoying, right?
Yeah, very annoying.
Python without input is the same. It only prints what we already wrote.
So, how do we make Python ask me something?
We use input. Let's see how to use this input. So I am asking the user, what is your name? Using input, you can ask any question that you want. Input function does one thing. It pauses your program and waits for the user to type something.
What if I type pancake?
Then Python will happily accept it.
Now let's try something funny. We need the name of our totally innocent suspect. Don't worry, this is definitely not going into the FBI database. Now we need their favorite food.
Here comes the best part. We are making the computer become the world's most unreliable news reporter. What? Jack stole hot dog from a sleeping bear? Forget the hot dog. Who walks up to a sleeping bear? Now it's your turn. Write a code that takes any two inputs and combine them into a funny sentence. Paste your code in the comments. Now let's look at what happens with the numbers. Let's say you are coding a game power up that gives the player 2x speed. Let's ask the base speed of the player. And now we will multiply the base speed with 2.
Wait. What?
Because input always returns a text, a string. That's why Python doesn't do math because it thinks it is a text.
So, I have to force Python to convert that text into a real number.
Exactly, and to do this we use int before input. Now it's your turn to build the calculator. Take two numbers as an input from the user, perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Paste your code in the comments and subscribe to my channel to learn Python in fun and simple way.